climate change is now an accepted fact. Dried streams, unseasonal hailstorms, dropping water tables, and droughts have become more and more frequent. From our environmental footprint, it is increasingly evident that we are over-extracting the planet's resources. One such key resource essential to life is water. Only 3% of water on this planet is fresh water, out of which 2.5% is unavailable. Locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil. Out of all these available water, agriculture irrigation accounts for over 70% of freshwater use worldwide. In this episode of Inventing for Impact, we explore two groundbreaking inventions that are helping us manage and conserve water in agriculture.
There was a time when water was thought it's going to be available forever. It is very clear water is not there, and whatever water is available, we need to use it very judiciously. Now, if you are looking at the current scenario, Punjab, roughly around 78% of the irrigation is happening through borewell. Places like Kolar in Karnataka, their farmers are finding it difficult to get water even at 1,800 feet.
Farmers face the brunt of this water scarcity. No matter how mindful they are about the water they use, they are also trying to maximize yield and reduce operating costs. This would mean visiting the large fields routinely, which is laborious on both manpower and resources.
That is where Cultivate's vision will make a big difference. Cultivate's vision is to enable the farmers to be more profitable while consuming lesser water and lesser nutrients.
Cultivate developed a static sensor that measures the soil moisture level and sends data in real time every 30 minutes to cloud servers. When moisture levels drop in the soil, the farmer receives a message to irrigate his fields. Once soil moisture reaches the appropriate level, another message goes to the farmer to stop his pump. This precise advice to farmers allows them to let fields dry up and flood alternatively, thus saving 50% of water. Not all kinds of farmers need a sophisticated system. Recognizing this, Cultivate has innovated an affordable solution that works perfectly for field crops. A highlight of this is their work with paddy farmers in Punjab.
ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਲੈਨੇ, ਘਾਹ ਕੱਢ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਟਾਂ ਵੱਢ ਲਈਆਂ, ਖਾਦ ਪਾ ਲਈ, ਹਰ ਟਾਈਮ ਬੱਚਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਬੱਚਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਫਸਲ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋਈ ਸਾਡੀ.
The second problem plaguing Indian agriculture is the rapidly depleting groundwater.
Through 4.5 crore bore wells, India is abstracting groundwater mindlessly. Niti Aayog estimates in next 1 decade, 55% of the bore wells would go dry.
By bringing new life to old bores and recharging shallow aquifers, Urdhvam is solving for India's mindless extraction of groundwater. All our groundwater gets stored underground between bodies of rock and sediments called aquifers. Aquifers closer to the surface are unconfined and serve as vast reservoirs of groundwater. This water takes hundreds and thousands of years to seep through to the aquifers confined at the bottom. Now bore wells are drilled to extract water from these deeper aquifers. They are built with a casing pipe to prevent the caving in of rocks and debris around them. This casing also restricts water in the upper aquifers from entering the bore well.
Hence, water we are abstracting from 200-600 feet is much faster compared to the natural recharge. And this gap between the natural recharge and our abstraction rate is creating havoc on the groundwater resources. Every farmer has invested a lot of money in drilling a bore well. That's where we thought we will develop an innovative smart rainwater harvesting technique that will revive the failed or low yielding bore wells using bore charger technology.
Bore charger is a tool that makes perforations to the waterproof casing pipe. Through these perforations, vast amounts of water from the upper aquifers enter the bore well, thereby recharging the deeper aquifers.
Okay. In last summer, we got a call from a farmer, Nabi Saab, from Humnabad, a very drought-prone area. Though his borewell was 450 feet, he was able to get only 15 minutes of water.
ते 1-1.5 वर्षापूर्वी माझी बोरला आहे ना पाणी येतच नव्हतं. त्यासाठी मी टेन्शनमध्ये होतो. माझी पहिली मोटर चालत होती फक्त 15 मिनिटं. त्यांनी काम करून गेल्यानंतर ती मोटर 3 तास चालली. ती स्कीम मला एकदम 100% सक्सेसफुल वाटल्यामुळं आज माझी दुसऱ्या बोरचं पाणी कमी झालं. त्याच्यामुळं मी त्यांना 1 वर्षानंतर परत कॉन्टॅक्ट केलं की दुसऱ्या बोरचं बी काम एकदम 100% सक्सेसफुल होईल, एवढं मला त्यांच्या कंपनीतर्फे गॅरंटी वाटते.
Our vision is to help farmers like Nabi Saab improve the water supply of their bore wells and improve their income as well and bring them out of poverty.
These are just two of the many such innovations we at Wilgrow take pride in nurturing. The world needs more such social innovations. Ones that are sustainable, scalable, and answer pressing community needs. Whether that's adapting to climate change or providing communities with access to water and primary healthcare, this is where the poor, the under-resourced, and the underprivileged can take part in building a sustainable future. And the future of social innovation starts with inventing right, inventing for impact.